inflation is where it is. It's double digits. People think it's 10%. I said a couple of months ago, I think it's 20%. What that means here is that the banks that borrow from the wholesale markets or the money markets or hedge funds or investment banks across the pond, they get skeptical of where the UK housing market is. So what happens traditionally is lenders will either pull back their funds that they provide to the UK mortgage market, or they say, we're not going to lend to you at 1, 2 or 3%, because they work based on what the stock market is predicting. And the stock market over the last 4 weeks, unfortunately, has predicted that interest rates sometime in 2023, the base rate could hit 6%. We're now at 2.25. So what happens is, the reason why the fixed rates have now been pulled back over the last 2 or 3 weeks, just simply because they didn't understand, the banks didn't understand how they're going to price these fixed rate mortgages because of how the market just turned in a second. So you had the pound against the US dollar, and I've always said it, you must follow the US dollar, you must follow the 10-year US swap rates. I've always said it, if the US sneezes, the world catches a flu. It's always been the way, and it'll always be the way. The reason why the US dollar's got so strong is just simply because everyone trades in US dollars, whether it's oil, whether it's trade, whether it's goods. So US dollar keeps getting strong, hence why our inflation keeps going up, and that's going to continue to be the play because the US dollar is ultimately the central currency of the world.